Maptek Account is your new home for Maptek online licensing and support. You can set up your account in less than a minute, either at account.maptek.com or through the Maptek workbench. Simply enter your corporate email address and your details. Choose your password. Prove you're not a robot. And agree to the terms and conditions. You will receive a confirmation email and you can confirm your account by entering the code. If you register through the website rather than the workbench, simply click the link you receive via email to complete your registration. Now you're all set up and ready to go. You can easily manage your available Maptek software, and finding help or requesting support is a straightforward process. To find out more, contact your local Maptek office.